We're Jack and Julie Western. We're from Aledo, Texas, which is just outside Fort Worth. Actually, this is our first motorhome that we've, when we decided we needed to come up here to visit IWS because frankly, we wouldn't want to buy from anybody else. And you know, they say we are now a member of the family, and I believe that. The coach we bought was a 2018 Explorer, which actually when we started our research, we liked the Explorer, then Renegade discontinued the model. So we were going to buy a Verona LE, and this coach happened to come up on IWS's website, and Julie called on it, and now we're here.
Yeah, we've been studying RVs for 3.5 years.
Oh, we've been searching RVs for 3.5 years.
2 years ago at the Fort Worth RV show, the first Renegade was there, and we'd looked at so many others and Super Cs and just didn't like them. We walked in and saw the Renegade Verona LE and like, this is nice.
When we retire, in how many months?
9.5 months.
9.5 months.
We're full-time.
We're going to full-time in the coach.
Mm-hmm. And we wanted something structurally built very well to live in it full-time.
The features that we were looking for.
Oh, washer and dryer and a fireplace. And I have them both.
Yeah, that checked your list off, the washer and dryer and the fireplace.
Yes. And electric induction.
Yeah, the electric induction.
Yeah. It's like the classic in a way.
It was similar to the classic,
it's nice.
But it was shorter.
Mm-hmm,
we liked the shorter height of the coach. You know, something that's 13 foot tall or close to it, you know, can be intimidating. You know, being 6-8 inches shorter, you know, it makes a big difference. And this particular coach has the DD13 motor in it, which is a plus. We heard about IWS. I think we stumbled across one of your videos. Yeah, Chuck's videos is probably the main reason.
It was an instant feel of honesty.
And then also the research we did. I don't know if there's a bad.
I don't have any bad
comment
reviews.
About IWS at all. I mean, we couldn't find any.
People on Facebook say, "Come here." Oh yeah.
The Renegade dealer or the Renegade rep that covered Texas actually told us that we should watch IWS videos to learn more about the Renegade line. We would walk into other dealers that carried a Renegade, and one, they knew nothing about the product. I mean, I actually had to show one guy how to turn the generator on. I mean, it was something that simple.
And so, Chuck, they own the Renegades, and they actually go camping. He knows about his RVs, and he's very in detail in his videos. And you feel a trust in his video. You know, he just.
And that's the reason we made the trip from Texas.
We're going there to buy from them.
Because we could have gone 30 miles from the house and bought a Verona LE. But now we drove 1,500 miles.
We feel like we'll definitely be taken care of here. We bought a coach sight unseen, just pictures, and I don't think we would have bought from anywhere else something like that.
You know, we trust IWS. We wouldn't do that with anybody else.
Correct.
And everybody says don't buy a coach without inspecting it or seeing it. Hey, we broke all the rules. And it's been proven. There was a small electrical issue that they thought was fixed, and we thought was fixed, but they dug a little deeper and found out it needed some more attention. In fact, gave us options of what could be done, and you know, ran it by us first to see what we wanted to have done. They were right on the problem. I mean, right on top of it. And I don't think many other dealerships would have done that. They would have got us out the door with the initial fix. We're talking with other dealers and visiting other dealers.
This was it. This was the only place.
We weren't going to give our money to them. I mean, we wanted somebody that we could trust and would stand behind the product.
Most definitely.
And so yes, we would recommend IWS to anybody.